Let me ask you something. Have you ever had one off-plan meal and immediately thought, I messed everything up? That moment right there is what we're talking about today. Not food, not carbs, but how you talk to yourself when things don't go perfectly. Because being hard on yourself may actually be the biggest reason keto feels harder than it needs to be. Point number one, self-criticism increases stress and cravings. When we criticize ourselves after a setback, the brain doesn't register motivation. It registers threat. From a psychological and physiological perspective, harsh self-talk raises stress hormones like cortisol, which increases cravings and impulsive eating. This is why trying to be stricter often backfires. Keto works best when the nervous system feels supported, not under attack. Self-compassion lowers stress, improves decision-making, and helps your body shift back into a fat-burning mode more smoothly. Kindness towards yourself isn't indulgent, it's a biological advantage. Point number two, setbacks are information, not failure. One of the most powerful mindset shifts in the ketogenic lifestyle is learning to view setbacks as information instead of failure. A moment off plan doesn't mean you lack discipline. It means something needs attention. Maybe stress was high, protein was low, sleep was off, or emotions were running the show. When you respond with curiosity instead of judgment, you stay engaged long enough to adjust. This is how real progress happens, not through perfection, but through awareness and course correction. Point number three, consistency is built through support, not punishment. Many people believe that being hard on themselves keeps them accountable. In reality, consistency is built through encouragement, structure, and realistic expectations. Punishment leads to burnout. Support builds confidence. Self-compassion sounds like, today was tough, but tomorrow I'll focus on protein, hydration, and one good decision. That mindset keeps you moving forward instead of starting over. Keto becomes sustainable when it feels supportive, not exhausting, and that's when long-term change finally sticks. If you take one thing away from this video, let it be this. You don't need more shame to succeed on keto. You need more support, especially from yourself. Progress isn't about being perfect. It's about learning, adjusting, and continuing forward with intention. If this message resonated with you and you want more psychology-based keto guidance that supports both your mindset and your health, I invite you to subscribe to this channel. And if this video helped you see your journey a little differently, click the like button. It helps more people find this message too. I'm glad you're here. See you in the next video.